Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain JNTUH old question papers, that is DBMS database management systems R18. All questions I took totally 3 question papers, November 2020, March 2022 and August 2021. 3 papers I took and all are sorted in according to unit wise. So these all are repeatedly came in the university examination question papers. Very important question. Concentrate more on this video and see this video until the end. So read these questions, then we can have some idea from how many, from which question units, which questions are came. Okay. So unit 1, what is DBMS? List 4 significant differences between file processing system and DBMS. This question came in November 2020. Very important question, very fundamental question. What is DBMS? Difference between file processing systems and DBMS system. The advantages of DBMS, disadvantages of file processing system. Second question is, what is ER model? Draw an ER diagram for any bank enterprise system. So this is also any enterprise system, not only bank enterprise, student details or employee details. Only thing is here you know how to convert, how to draw a ER diagram. What are the symbols are used in DR model? Okay, this is the November 2020. This is first A bit and first B bit, 1A, 1B. Next third question is, explain about various database users and administrators in DBMS. So this is also came in November 2020. And fourth question is, draw an ER diagram for weak and strong entity sets with examples. This is also November 2020. That means in November 2020 from unit 1 only 2 questions are came. 215s are 30 marks from unit 1. Okay. So next one is fifth question. Explain any 5 applications of DBMS. This is from March 2022. So take the pics and read all these questions. Next one is, what is, these are also from unit 1 only. What is entity set? And also define relationship set. List and explain the symbols used in ER diagram. This is also from March 2022. Next, discuss about levels of abstraction DBMS. This is from August 2021. 3-level architecture or ANSYS Spark architecture, levels of abstraction, whatever it is, the question is this one. Very important question. Physical level, logical level, conceptual level. Next one is, what is data model? What are the different data models and explain with examples. This is also from August 2021. Data model is also very important question. Next again from ER model. Define ER model. Explain the following kinds of constraints that can be specified in ER diagram and give the examples of each. What are the constraints means? One is the key constraints. Second one is the participation constraints. That is August 2021. And discuss the functionality of query evaluation engine. This is from August 2021. So these all are the questions from unit 1, that is also from last 3 years papers, 2020, 21, 22. Okay, these are from unit 1. So after seeing this unit 1, what are the important questions means? First one is ER diagram is very important, ER diagrams, and DBMS introductions. So what is the advantages of DBMS? What is the disadvantages of file processing system? And next one is key constraints, ER diagrams, in the total ER diagrams, key constraints, everything, and levels of abstraction and data models. These are the very important question. Already I gave one video, I put one video like important questions in unit wise. See that video. Next, unit 2. The unit 2 important questions are, that is also previous question papers. What is a view? How to specify a view? Write about view implementation techniques. Totally 15 marks, March 2022. Next, discuss briefly about domain relational calculus. 15 marks question, March 2022. Next, explain about outer join operation in relational algebra. November 2020. And again same November 2020, again domain relational calculus is repeated. Next, discuss in detail about the properties of relational algebra. August 2021. and compare domain relational calculus and tuple relational calculus, August 2021. So these are the important questions in unit 2. So here I already said in the previous videos also, the topics important in unit 2 is relational algebra, domain relational calculus, tuple relational calculus and views. These are very important topics in unit 2. If you read these 4 units, you have to compulsory attempt all the questions in unit 2. Then unit 3. In the unit 3 topics are very simple topics. One is the SQL operators and normal forms. So first one is state 1NF, 2NF, 3NF and explain with examples. March 2022. What is functional dependency? Explain types and properties of functional dependencies. March 2022. Next, explain the following operations in SQL with examples. Sum operator, in, accept, exits. November 2020. Explain various DML functions in SQL with examples. November 2020. What is normalization? Explain 4NF and 5NF normal forms with examples. Totally 15 marks question, November 2020. And what are the steps to be followed to convert a relation in 3NF to BCNF? August 2021. And what are the importance of entity integrity and referential integrity? August 2021. These are the questions in unit 3 and also some more questions also there, that is discuss fourth normal form with illustration, August 2021, and when is the decomposition of a relation schema R into two relational schemas X and Y said to be lossless join decomposition? Why is this property is important? August 2021. So from unit 3, what are the important question? Means normal forms, very important question. 1NF, 2NF, 3, 4, 5 BCNF and how to convert one normal form to another normal form, very important. Then DDL commands, DML commands are very important. Next, SQL operators are important. Next one is functional dependencies and decomposition. If we see these topics, then we have easily attempt unit 3. From up to unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, from all the papers, 2 questions are came from all these 3 units, that are question numbers are more. But if from unit 4 and unit 5, only one question is there. So just see the unit 4 important question, not important. Previously came in the university question paper questions. First question is discuss transaction recovery techniques, totally 15 marks, March 2022. Explain shadow paging recovery scheme for recovering the database, November 2020. Write about log-based recovery, August 2021. So these 3 are 3 different questions, but all are belongs to one topic, that is recovery techniques. If we see the recovery techniques, attempt all the questions. Next one is discuss in detail about timestamp based concurrency control techniques. So in this recovery techniques is important. Next one is concurrency control techniques. Concurrency control techniques and concurrency problems. These are the techniques and these are the problems. If we see these, we easily attempt unit 4 questions. Then unit 5. State and explain various file organization methods. Give suitable examples to each of them. 8 marks question, August 2021. What are the pros and cons of ISAM? August 2021, 7 marks question. Explain in detail about external hashing techniques. Totally 15 marks question, that is March 2022. Explain deletion and insertion operations in linear hashing with examples. Tot 15 marks question, November 2020. So I took 3 question paper, only one question came from 3 units. So these 1A and B, 1-2 questions are A and B, and third is separate, fourth is separate. Okay, so these are the questions are came in the from unit 5. So in the unit 5, the important topics are file organization, indexing, types of indexing, hash based, tree based, cluster indexing, indexed data structures. Next, B plus tree is ISAM. If you read these 4 topics, you easily attempt all the 5 units. So these are the already previous question paper questions in DBMS. already I kept some question papers, paper analysis also separately, but now all question paper questions are keep it in one video only. Read the follow this video and read all the questions properly, then we are easily attempt all the questions in DBMS. All the best. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share it to your friends. Thank you.